this is Jason. I'm just recording a testimonial for Judith Povell. I've just done her 2-day course, Gateway to the Infinite, and I highly, highly recommend that you also do her course. Just to talk about Judith as a host, she's so warm and considerate and understanding and kind and funny. So she's just a lovely host, puts you at ease. We started out, the 10 of us, as strangers to each other, just having quantum touch in common. And by the end, there was such a sense of familiarity and companionship, and just being with someone who's like a brother or a sister, because you're doing this kind of course. It's not, you're not taking masses of notes. You're not going through extensive training materials. It's all experiential. How are you going to experience the infinite? How are you going to experience oneness? Well, Judith has a number of short and very impactful and really beautiful little processes that she guides you through, little experiential journeys into the infinite, into oneness. And so you become very close with your fellow participants. So I feel that this will be really a big impact in my life. A few key pieces of understanding have dropped in, and it's really going to help me with what I want to do in life. So if you've got any hesitancy at all about doing this course, take it from me. It's a wonderful course. Judith is a wonderful host. And if you have any interest at all in energy healing, energy medicine, stepping into the infinite, experiencing oneness, or you just want to have a great 2 days and discover more about yourself as a human being, and discover more about how we're all wonderfully connected as one beautiful loving consciousness, then yeah, Judith's Gateway to the Infinite course is definitely the course for you. Thanks. Bye.